orders from online into Traverse. We solve problems with customers all day long. We get shipments out the warehouse. We move, it's just constant all day. And it's never the same, which is kind of nice.
We are getting ready for an account meeting for a craft. We're going to do all the craft overview kits.
I work in operations, which is sort of a catch-all. We do all the administrative tasks of the office, invoicing, order entry. I work with the warehouse to make sure they understand our product and make sure the stuff gets shipped on time.
Well, over the years, my titles have changed, but I do a lot of many different things here. But bookkeeping, I do the accounts receivable part of Fabric Additions. So entering, our cash receipts, closing the end of the month. On the office manager side, I do a lot of our order processing, invoicing, advanced shipment notices, and oversee that part of the business.
We basically are responsible for the growth of sales. I'm the manager of our top customers. Some of them we share, actually, some top customers. But I have responsibilities to grow the sales and maintain relationships with our top customers.
We do a lot of things. We make instructions and packaging, and we do catalogs. We work on our website. We make labels, even printing and cutting and stuff like this. It's a lot. It's all kinds of stuff.
I handle the international accounts as well as the Northeast, and I just basically, work with the warehouse to see building the shipments and then doing any kind of customer paperwork that it needs to get through the customs, and then just basically anything customer service wise.
Oh, it changes every day. It's like an emergency room. The customers call us and we fix whatever the problem is, or we place an order for them.
I think just working with the creativity we've had to sort of adapt over the years and bring in new types of product, and just seeing that evolve over time is really interesting to me.
Probably, obviously growing sales is fun, but having relationships and growing our business with our customers, maintaining those relationships and bringing things to market for our consumers.
I like the variety. I like that we work on all kinds of different stuff and you never really get bored. You always stay busy.
I would have to say the people. Everybody we work with is it's like a family. It's really awesome to work here.
The best part of working for this company is just coming to work every day. There's always something new going on.
I'm working with everybody, getting to know the customers.
I would say the teamwork and the leadership is really good here, so yeah. But the teamwork and releasing orders is probably one of my favorites, yeah.
My favorite part of working with the company is my customers. I have a group of customers I've worked with since the beginning that I've been here, and they're awesome. They're very appreciative of what I do, and they're funny. They talk to me on the phone frequently. They are always telling me how great I am at my job, and it just makes my day a whole lot easier.
Probably my favorite part of the job would be the international part of it. And also, it's a great place to work. We have a great team, and it's just a pleasure to work here.
Making a customer happy.
Info at. I answer all the info at questions for Def Tags. And finding that obscure fabric that hasn't been around for a while for someone, that's rewarding.
My favorite part would probably be solving problems for our customers, like being a middle person for them. That would be my favorite part.
Most I love about the company is just the family-oriented atmosphere that we have. That it's, family-owned, and our employers are so they're just so loyal.
I like coming in and seeing my coworkers every day. I mean, most people, I've known them for so many years. It's like another family. So that's what I miss it when I'm not here.